Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe. And today's video I'm going to be telling you the reason why Fiverr will ban your account. So if you want to become a freelancer on Fiverr, you need to watch this video till end. So the reason why Fiverr normally bans people's accounts, because I got this question from one of my subscribers saying that in his 2 accounts we are banned. So I want to actually tell you guys the reason why Fiverr will ban your account if you don't be careful on Fiverr. So number one reason is this: if you are on Fiverr, you set up your gig, and at the same time when a client want to buy your gig and you are sharing your contact or your email address with the client, you are going to get banned on Fiverr. Another reason is this: you need to be professional on whatever you are offering on Fiverr, and this is this is going to be the reason why Fiverr might ban your account. Because after you work with a client and that client next review approve your work, Fiverr will still go and ask the client a private question whether is pleased with your work or not. And if this client actually give Fiverr negative reply, this is going to be the reason why you wake up one day Fiverr will restrict your account. If your account is already banned on Fiverr before, don't use the same smartphone or laptop to open that account again, because Fiverr is going to ban the account again. So be careful. You need to use another smartphone to open another Fiverr account, so you will not get banned again. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to share this video to others to know the reason why Fiverr might ban their account. Thank you, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you.